And only one lady I said that no cho him meti aka no ebo na eme video no ya ejoko deba nwe na zolie ka if ndị enyi ọchịchị ka if ndị enyi power to secure nwaanyị ji onye agwa nwoke na oye debe mkpụrụ amị na amị ọnụ na ya azụwa mkpụrụ amị ya na very heartless.
Go change like this now. Fast come like this now.
Most of the time, no matter reports about police extortion, here now the person, the victim is any proof or evidence. Or yes, or say I'm with your body station. I say because no evidence, no proof. I send their own. Send it to your nigga hand on extorters. And the rest of for Hannah send their back. Hannah send their back or rest of but at this case, you need to make Hannah phone. I won't. Why? These people are kidnappers and criminals. Here Ogidi special squad, Hanonime police station Ogidi, led by Hyman and the second day on Kese tattoo known. Ebobon Eflon that Chalofa. Yes. This boy on about a victim of police nonchalantness. First. Keye menu, yana nwanne nwoke amụrụ ha se bo so gbada na afọ igwe king ka na akpịa Joncho Ogidi ka ha ga zụta ihe na mgbede abalị ama ihe police na ndị mmadụ na eme kasị egbekpo he lapid gba nwanne ya nwoke yanwa survive nwanne nwoke nwụla at sport yanwa bụ nke rush n'ụlọ ọgwụ ọnọkoma nosi akoma survive nata emeri happy survivor na march mmetikwa picture ebe nke ahụ ga ofoso oso yokwụsị ya ka nne muziri kịta okporo his cousin brother distance cousin brother ka ha gote ihe ha ga-eri na Saturday agara aga being 9th of May na that same sport this same special squad double cross for this guy ma ya ma machine ha nchanye n'ime moto ebuli nakosi ya phone ha buru ha pụọ na ha ya 200,000 o sị na ọ jụ kere ife ome ewulola my obala n'anya. I will still post all the video here now. Damage ya anya. Say no ya 200,000 from 200,000 no we go or buy 200 for 100 who gidezie ha people ma 20 or say na ihe nwele ebe a is also 10,000 ha chijigi ha isi n'ụlọ. O chijigi ha isi n'ụlọ. Asi ana asị. O sị ngwa si nye phone ka ọkpọ mmadụ. Ka onye ama na esendiri ego. E we nya phone. Mgbe ọ na use the person the ego out of doubt, o may have video na the motor. Send the other person. Iyota. O may have video na his phone. Send the other person. The person will send there 10,000. Man, all this process, how about I go to the station? I see where you to go withdraw the ego na 20,000 na POS nilo. Opwo. The police go see his cousin brother na ya where e make all nke wo 20,000 nke yishe. Enye the cousin brother phone. Now we phone instead of him we call. Iyota fast. Or you could maybe video. Or you send somebody kwa ka 20,000 k or something like that. If you don't know the video, when I had the phone, eba had matter no change here. Now we na batazi, often na his cousin brother here to death. Or batasa ke you no go the ego. I say okay na ha na eme video na ha chọrọ ịchụ ha n'ọlụ. They with these two boys. Kpụọ ha mala, kpụọ ha isi. Because they are growing hair. Yaman no way they grow hair. This Joshua, after this boy Joshua, they grow hair. Apo yisi, woli se be kulicha yisi. Aya this boy is war balabo. Iyota. So he only texted me today because all today could be to use 1 year. Iyota. So you have to text me today. So cutting the wrong story, in the police, which is 200,000 naira. All this is the many uncompleted building in the police station. By the like uncompleted aside from the police station. So here was the one you do on here, and only one lady I said that not him metiaka. Nobody may video no ye joko deba ngwe na zolie. Kifin Daniel ọchịchị. Kifin Daniel power to secure. Why Johnny are going to know you didn't pull on no ya aso one pull na. Very heartless. But that's by the way. After long and short, where me see Messiah in a at a point, the cousin brother, the week, Oyoba, see Noya 200,000. So after long everything, he was able to raise more 150,000. Osa no ji go 20,000 n'aka. Then no ji no want to go 150 na phone. I say I'm going to with the cash. The POS in work cash, cash, we want the cash. I wonder 170,000. He did the phone of that boy, his brother, for Matiaya. Jidenki wipe what is he called? Gararia. Forgetting that video sent the man na WhatsApp. Canona personal file WhatsApp. So after these things, he blew those people, these boys, boop tenilo, behind me, and I get all survivor kahana show. They have to pack their machine and go. A blue good Habuna house. So since that Saturday, they have been healing. So today they reach out to me with the evidence that happened under 170,000 for doing nothing. That same boy, you know, the parents forgave you people and treat them themselves and treat him himself. Near one name get all in Kono Buje. Now 170,000. Uneni head the bellon. High man, as they call you, you are a failure. Ifele meg, ifele balloon kegi. He's so disappointed in my floor picture. Because the world will know you. And I believe that to give people more energy. Because many complaints have come to me about your name, High Man. But they are very scared of you. You are just a mortal. One day, like me, where everybody will die. So your legacy lives. And to the Commissioner of Police, Oya Kizilinda Alwa. Ashom Konyo Obona tag good at this case good. Because Ndaga Kuchi had the money. They will pay the money back. I swear. How you put that over? To the Commissioner of Police, tag him. Tomorrow. Come on down. Let's just not talk everything here. Tag IG of Police, Commissioner of Police, like the whole firm. Because this is kidnapping. And I heard that from about this guy here, but there's no compensation, nothing. Parents need care. Then Yaman was treated, all the millions spent was by the parents. Police was scot-free. Where I standard discharge or something. High man, you could get Jibego. But the next one you will now pay for all your sins. I will reach out to you. High man, and they got put you go. If we hear I personally, on that to me now, here I you get back. Adam me we man, honestly me keep you my many. Cause this is not the first case they put about you with evidence, but case can go. So please, let's tag all the firm, all the authorities on this. Governor Chachuko Masoludo, Aguna Chamber, Sir Ken Emakai, Commissioner of Police, Keha. Oh yeah, kind of Anambra now. Ogidi was the PG. I heard that you guys PG is late. Because Mbon, I still got this report. On with this year now. But Mbokan, I still got this report steady. So, what is his name? High man with him. One who kidnappers. And you are going to refund this money to the last debt. And if una delay, una go pay for the whole damages. I will call you after this video. Yes, I will call you. And you will pay. And that's by the way. One name will write in a extort. My own is that you don't have to extort. And if extort, what they be okay, put here as well. And Anambra, and Ibuni nega, like some stories ne we most times na try na late.